Hi friends, I brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Calamox. Calamox has Amoxiclav in it. It has 500 milligrams of amoxicillin and 125 milligrams of potassium clavulanate, which is clavulanic acid. This box has 6 tablets in it. It's made by Bosch Pharma, and the price for one box is 154 rupees. The combination of amoxicillin and clavulanic acid is used to treat certain infections caused by bacteria, including infections of the ears, lungs, sinuses, skin, and urinary tract. Amoxicillin is in a class of medications called penicillin-like antibiotics. It works by stopping the growth of bacteria. Clavulanic acid is in a class of medications called beta-lactamase inhibitors. It works by preventing bacteria from destroying amoxicillin. Antibiotics will not work for colds, flu, or other viral infections. Using antibiotics when they are not needed increases your risk of getting an infection later that resists antibiotic treatment. The combination of amoxicillin and clavulanic acid comes as tablet, a chewable tablet, an extended release tablet, and a suspension to be taken by mouth. The tablets, chewable tablets, and suspension are usually taken at the start of a meal every 8 hours, 3 times a day, or every 12 hours, 12 times a day, twice a day. The extended release tablets are usually taken with a meal or snack every 12 hours. To help you remember to take amoxicillin and clavulanate, take it around the same times every day. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Take amoxicillin and clavulanic acid exactly as directed. Do not take more or less of it, or take it more often than prescribed by your doctor. Swallow the extended release tablets whole. Do not crush or chew them. Shake the liquid well before use to mix the medication evenly. The chewable tablets should be chewed thoroughly before they are swallowed. The other tablets should be taken with a full glass of water. Take amoxicillin and clavulanic acid until you finish the prescription, even if you feel better. If you stop taking amoxicillin and clavulanic acid too soon or skip doses, your infection may not be completely treated and the bacteria may become resistant to antibiotics. Amoxicillin and clavulanic acid also is used sometimes to treat certain sexually transmitted diseases. Talk to your doctor about the possible risks of using this medication for your condition. Take the missed dose as soon as you remember it. However, if it is almost time for the next dose, skip the missed dose and continue your regular dosing schedule. Do not take its double dose to make up for a missed one. Some side effects of this medication include diarrhea, upset stomach, vomiting, mild skin rash. Some serious side effects include severe skin rash, itching, hives, difficulty breathing or swallowing, wheezing, vaginal itching and discharge, yellowing of the skin and the eyes. Amoxicillin and clavulanic acid may cause other side effects. Call your doctor if you have any unusual problems while taking this medication. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.